Hey guys, Jeremy here, and I am here and excited for an unboxing video here. And I just got this in the mail for Amazon, so I'm going to open it on up and show you what we got here. So today, what I have is this is a custom paintbrush handle that I got on Amazon. And so I guess the problem is it doesn't really come with any brush bristles. So actually my hair's kind of long right now, so maybe I'll just cut off. Okay. Oh, alright, well that'll work. So yeah, so anyway, it doesn't come with the bristles, but you have most of you have your own bristles, and so all you have to do is cut a little bit of it off and then just tape it on. And if you can keep the straight edge there, that would be desirable. And then I'm just going to tape it right on to finish my custom paintbrush, which these are far better than like a brush you could buy in a store because, well, it's your own hair. So you just need to get plenty of tape on there to get a good firm hold, and let's give it a shot. I got my paper here and my Acapulco blue paint, and just going to draw ourselves a picture with my custom paintbrush, which is working really well. This, like I say, you just can't get this type of use out of a regular brush. You can just see how it really it actually leaves part of the brush on your art for a memory, which is kind of nice to leave the hair on there. I bet you a lot of people appreciate that, and then it also gives them something to interpret for themselves. So anyway, that's a custom paintbrush handle out of the unboxing today, and so I think it's a big success. Pick yourself up one today.